my gosh. Wow. Yeah, that's the tornado sirens going off for Arkansas. This is Russellville we're in right now. It's to the north of us, I believe. But I did see a lightning bolt. I don't know if y'all saw that right over there. So it's gonna... I don't know what's going on. What's that? It's all kind of moving. You can see it moving in that direction.
This one ain't nothing like Delta House. I mean,
That is a massive wall cloud. You can see right now with the cold air is blowing in from the north. And we have warm air, I believe, from the south. And it's blowing right into Arkansas, of course. So, isn't that just great? Oh, nice. But yeah. Hopefully that doesn't cause problems for us. So, look at those. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see these little things falling from the sky. They've been picked up. And I don't know what it is. If I can find one. It's these little pellet things. And they're falling from the sky. There they are. They're all over the place. There's some bugs right there. But they're getting picked up from somewhere. Probably in a field. But a bunch of bugs the bugs are starting to come out. But look at that wall cloud. That is a massive wall cloud. You can see all of that. This cold air, it's getting colder by the second out here. But oh man, it's the sirens have stopped. But yeah, this is crazy. Oh, look at that. Nice. But yeah. Let's hope for no tornado, but if there is, yeah, let's just hope we don't get one. There was some massive lightning strikes right over there. Let's hope for no storms, but yeah. So the wind was moving this way, now it's moving this way. And I could see, y'all can't tell, but there is it's starting to, it's rotating. We got some rotation here. Let me see if I can get a better angle. It's not really a great angle, but it's decent. I thought I saw something, but it might have just been me or a low-hanging cloud. But yeah, look at that. Yeah, we're getting some rotation. Look at that plane. I wonder what there's a plane up there. I wonder what it's seeing from below here. I'm feeling some rain actually starting to hit me now. Hopefully won't get pelleted with rain and stuff, but yeah. So it's starting to rain and I didn't get them on camera, but there have been hundreds. It feels like hundreds of just police cars, ambulances, mostly ambulances and fire trucks going by. There's definitely a tornado on the ground. I haven't looked it up yet, but I've seen a bunch of cars heading that way. Probably family members going to see if their families are okay, but it's starting to rain. Really hope that everything's going to be okay. So, look at that. Wow. Yeah, it's moving really fast too, so wow.